At Koncept Garage, we believe in the value of time, and while we don't charge a fee for our in-person consultations, there are limited spots available. As busy parents and professionals, please help us honor everyone's time by using the following to decide if our services are right for you. We invite you to book a free consultation with us if you believe spending Saturday with your family is the best use of your time. You and your spouse are both available to attend the consultation and are comfortable with an investment of at least $6,000. You know how you want to use your garage to park, to exercise, or to entertain family and friends. You believe that hiring high-quality professionals is the best use of your resources. You're looking for a hands-off experience, a company who will design the room for you, choose the right products for your needs and budget, and organize all of your possessions. If this sounds like you and you're ready to have the whole project done for you in under 1 hour of your time, I invite you to book a free consultation with us today. On the other hand, if you bought a cheap storage product online and simply need someone to install it, or you're looking for a cheap epoxy floor, if you're a new homeowner who hasn't fully unpacked yet, if you and your spouse aren't yet on the same page and don't really know what your budget is, or if your spouse is not going to be available for the in-person consultation, and last, if you're not yet ready to decide what you want to keep, donate, or dispose, it's simply not the right time to book with Koncept Garage. If you're still unclear, we're happy to answer any questions. Just send us a text or an email. Thank you in advance for choosing Koncept Garage.